Hey, what's up now?
I'm fine now.
What's up now? What book are you reading?
The Power of a Praying Parent.
Oh, that's why I love you. Power of a Praying. Maybe I'm hungry. What are we eating tonight?
I don't know. I've even been thinking. I don't know.
You know what? I'm thinking of making dinner for us tonight.
You cooking dinner? I've not forgotten the last time you cooked. The toilets in the house were not enough for us. Why are you people not eating?
Not sweet.
How can you say that? How can you say that you're lower? The food that your daddy cooked.
Oh yeah, everybody eat.
Babe, what is it? What is it now, baby? Meaning what? Meaning what? You are using my past to judge me. That's not fair. At least give me a second chance. Let me just make dinner for tonight, baby. What do you think?
Surprise me.
I will surprise you, baby. I'll surprise you. I'll surprise you. Don't look mine. I'll surprise you.
Ajakaja.
Ajakaja. Ajakaja. Ajakayeni. Baby, food is ready. Food is ready.